Second walk. Poor Raven, they won't leave her alone. It's what you get for coming with us, Raven. Puppies, where are you going, puppies? Yeah, I thought so. Come on, Wendy. Come on, get out of the, what are you guys doing? Come on, bird dogs. Okay, you're not bird, not bird dogs, sorry. You're pig dogs. You're boar dogs, come on. Come on, bye. See you, puppies. Bye, puppies. What are you doing, Pebbles? Wendy, get out of the woods. Come on, Wendy. Come on, Wendy, out of the woods. Wendy, come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, Wendy. Out of the woods, Wendy. Look at that crazy cat. Hey, puppy. So do puppy. Hey, puppies. What you doing, goobers? Hey, Chico. Puppies, where you going? Puppies! They're running way ahead. Puppies! Get over here, puppies! Come on, you goobers. We ain't running dogs into the woods. That ain't happening. Nope. We got Peter and Wendy and Chico, and they were like trying to run away. Come on, let's go back, guys. Pebble Kitty, who goes on walks with us. And then the dumb dogs try to follow her. No, come on, puppies! Come on, puppies. Chico! Wendy! Good boy. Get your little booties back here. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Puppies. Yes, we live down the worst road ever. Wendy, what are you doing? Come on, puppies. It's your puppies. Oh no, get the baby talk. Get them coming. Get them running. Hey, Raven. What are you doing? What you doing? You being a mama hen?